Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily change your Google Chrome background image. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to click on customize Chrome, and after that this window will appear, and from here you need to just click on change theme, and after that you will have a lot of bunch of option here. You can select any one of them if you want, but in our case we need to just change the background, so we click on upload an image, and after that you need to select your image and double click on it, and after that you will see that your image now changed. We are going to close this window and let me show you that this image is now changed. Then again click on the customize icon. Now we have a bunch of more options here. We can click on the color schemes and match according to the image, so we have a lot of light option. We select the dark and select the first option here, and here you see this is similar to our image. So in this way, according to your image, you can set the color scheme, and after that your theme will be created. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.